Ninth A, and here are my team members. We have made two projects. Our first project is Angle Finder. Rehan is my friend who will explain what is Angle Finder and its materials.
It is angle finder and it is used to find the exact.
And we have uploaded the code in Arduino, and which is connected to the screen, and it will show the exact angle which has made a measure on this screen.
Okay. So it's showing there.
Yes, ma'am.
Various angles are showing there. At which angle the object is kept, it will show that. And ma'am, here the distance is like 30 is 29. So you are having the another model also.
It is changing.
Yes,
That is two models you have made.
It is different from that, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
They
This
both
is
are
an-
angle finder.
No, ma'am.
This is
That-
angle finder.
This is Angle Finder and this is Distance Finder.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, like it is a sensor and a jumper
Ultrasonic
wire.
sensor, Bluetooth module, and Arduino UNO microcontroller.
Acha, this object you are in.
Yes.
Okay.
This scale is having various distance that is shown.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have used sensors and wires.
Come too close and it will show.
It will come too close and it will write, and that time.
The distance it will show on
As
it.
per the distance is changing, it will also be showing on this monitor.
And ma'am, we have used sensors and board, breadboard, and some wires, jumping wires, and connected with the laptop, and done some coding on it connected from Bluetooth and mobile.
We have
So
code
when
from the Arduino IDE,
when any
a
object-
software
yes,
for the Arduino UNO, and mini controller for board, that is Arduino IDE. Can you show any exact reading, ma'am? Yes.
yes, sir.
What
Ma'am, you can
distance is showing on the scale?
Scale it is.
yes, ma'am, it is
Any reading, any reading.
You just
21,
21.
22 or 21, ma'am, it will show.
Yeah.
21. The correct angle is 21. It is.
What you are using one term, wire, some wire.
Yes, ma'am, jumping wires.
Jumper wire.
Ma'am, to connect.
Jumper wire.
It's a different kind of wire.
Yes, ma'am, it is
has
different.
Pins in front, small wires.
That's why it's a.
For connection, breadboard and to the Arduino. It
What's
is
the
it.
exact name of?
Jumper wire.
You want to explain something?
When the material required distance finder are uh, ultrasonic sensor और जंपर वायर और ये Arduino UNO and last is ये breadboard.
Okay. Can I ask one question?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the thought behind creating this? How this thought has come?
Now, first we have research on Google that what we should have
Yes,
we should make so for the good that you should like. And then ma'am, some suggestions. Then we have choose these two things.
So you have just
Yes,
discussed among
Yes.
yourself
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So you find that should be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We
Ma'am,
are thinking that we can make a math model. It is math model that triggered. Then we found these two only that we have made.
Thank you. Nice talking to you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning and joint ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, I am Pavan from class 9th B along with my team members. I'm Ojas, Nishant, Krishna, and we are presenting the model of congruency for criteria of triangle.
Okay.
Ma'am, Krishna is going to define the congruency.
Jain ma'am, I am defined to congruency. Congruency is the fundamental concept in geometry that describes when two geometric figures, such as a triangle, are of the same size and shape. Congruent triangle have identical side length and angle measure, allowing for pr- precise comprise.
You want to say that the two
Yes.
figures are
Yes, sir.
equal to each other
Yes,
by
sir.
shape and size. Both
Sir, length also.
they are congruent. Is
Yes,
it?
yes, sir. And application in various mathematics context.
Jai Hind, ma'am. First criteria is side. If all three sides of triangle are if all the three sides of triangle are equal to corresponding other sides of triangle, then the criteria is right. Ma'am,
Is it visible from here also? Can you roll it?
on side,
This is which
on side angle side. Second criteria. If two angles include, if two sides includes one angle equal to of one triangle equal to the other triangle, if another triangle corresponding parts, then it's side angle side.
Jain ma'am, I am Ojas from class 9th B, and the third criteria is criteria if any two angles of any if any two angles and one side between the angles of any triangle is equal to the corresponding angles and the side between the angles of another triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent under the criteria of ASA. And the fourth criteria is AAS. Under this criteria, if AAS
What
under
is the full form of AAS?
angle side. Under this criteria, if any two angles and one side of any triangle is equal to the corresponding angles, two corresponding angles and one side, then these two triangle will be congruent to each other by the criteria of AAS.
So my question is, madam, congruency, which you have explained, is applicable only for triangle, or is it applicable for other shapes
Ma'am,
also?
ma'am for many shapes,
Many shapes,
like
like?
ma'am square,
Okay.
and
Okay.
ma'am and rectangle
Okay.
and triangle. Ma'am, we have
Any of your body part also?
yes.
How?
Ma'am, like our arm, same size and shape.
Okay.
And if he will put his arm on my arm, it will not the same shape.
Okay.
Shape. It is the same shape but not the same size. And this is not a confidence.
So you mean to say by showing your hand that every time it's not necessary that we are measuring the angles and the sides. If we are keeping two things overlapping each other, we can find out that it is congruence or not. Is it?
Yes.
Perfectly.
Yes,
Also,
ma'am.
shape and size. We have to keep it, no? One on another, or the way we want to keep it.
Yes.
It's not like that every time we have to keep some tool to measure the sides or angles. Yes.
Yes.
Initial level we can do that. Right?
Yes.
Yes or no? I
Yes.
want to understand from you. We can do it or not? Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Jain ma'am, welcome to our
Jain.
venue. Jain ma'am, welcome to our venue. Ma'am, we have made this model named as Mythopia.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is
Mythopia. Can you please describe the meaning of that?
Mythopia. Ma'am, like this will help increase the math basic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and it will help in fast calculation also.
And the components which we have used in these models are like, ma'am, we have used Arduino, LCD I2C, number pad, jumper wire, and buzzer. And here you can see this is the Arduino. This is the
The first one?
this
No,
one.
the blue one.
Yes,
Blue
ma'am.
one.
Ma'am, this is the Arduino. This is the LCD. This is the Arduino cable, and this is the number pad from where we will input the answers. Ma'am, if would I will give a short description about the components. So, ma'am, Arduino, ma'am, it is a microcontroller which sends the commands to the components which are connected to it. And then next is the LCD I2C. And it is the component. It is used where the application of visual display or textures are required. And next is the number pad. Ma'am, it is used where we have to input the answer using numbers. And next is the jumper wire. Ma'am, it is used to connect all the components to the Arduino. And the last, it is a buzzer. Ma'am, it is used where we need a beeping sound, like here we have used. Here is the buzzer. We have just hidden it.
And if there it is, you can get press to start. If you press any button, the quiz will start. Like here, it will show answer. We have to input the answer in 20 seconds.
Okay.
Like the answer for this question is 4. So this is minus and this is equal to. So if you press equal to, it will give correct and it will give a beep sound. And if I will input a wrong answer, it will give a long beep sound. And ma'am, here's the code for it.
And it is a circuit diagram. And here is the board.
We have we have input 20 questions in it.
Okay.
And 7 is
So what is the difference between the correct answer and deep and incorrect answer beep?
Sir, the correct answer, sir, when the correct answer is there, it will beep for short time. And sir, for incorrect answer, it will beep for long time.
So will they understand that it's wrong?
Yes, ma'am. And it will be displayed here. The maximum score a person can get is 225.
Okay.
It will display the score here also. Like if I input a right answer, correct, the score will be
Like if you give a wrong answer, if
yes,
you
yes.
put wrong answer, like
Like if I put wrong answer, it will calculate the score and it will show that score is 1.
I think after a wrong answer, system will restart.
Yes, sir.
It would automatically
It
restart.
will start from
Now,
beginning.
how many questions? Number
Ma'am,
of
20 questions.
20 questions.
We can change the questions in the code.
And here are the different problems where we have
Good
input all
tool
the
to
answers.
engage children to play because 4 basic operations you have kept
Yes, ma'am.
or some equations are also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Equations are
and
also
that
there.
Linear equations we have used.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, we have made Pythagoras theorem model, and this is the model, and here's the PPT.
Okay.
Ma'am, in my team, I'm Aditya, he's Pushkar, he's Ankit,
Okay.
and he's Shabaz. And ma'am, we have merged section C and E.
From E, who is there?
From E, V3, and from C, he is there.
See you, Shabazz. Okay.
So, ma'am, we have made this model. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and mathematician who invented Pythagoras theorem.
Great.
He was born in around 500. Pythagoras theorem was invented around 9000 BC, 900 BC. So, ma'am, we have made it. Pythagoras theorem is base square plus height square to hypotenuse square.
Okay.
Ma'am, now we have taken 5 as height.
So you are just showing the formula how to find out the answer with using.
Ma'am, practically we are also doing. Mathematically we are also doing
Okay.
in the calculator.
First you show this. So we have
Ma'am, taken height 5 and base is equal to 12.
Uh-huh.
So, ma'am, we have to find what is the measure.
Okay.
5 plus right 12
It's okay. It's okay. Take your time. That's it.
12 square 140.
Can you measure
It's
there
wrong,
also?
yaar.
Scale also?
Manually you can do that.
Manually you show, ma'am, that first you put that at 5 centimeter height. That is the height of 5 centimeter.
Achha, we can shift that also. Huh?
That can be shifted.
Wow, good one. Use of pulley.
169 and this will do square root.
No,
Answer
you
will come
can measure
30.
that with the help.
Answer will come
Achha,
here
this is for
30.
band.
Ma'am, this is hypotenuse and
No, no,
button.
this is
Ma'am, we have used rubber band. What you should have. So, ma'am, we can stretch it so it will increase.
5 is here.
Ma'am, do. Ma'am, see 30 centimeters from here. Ma'am, by the help of this, we have.
No, it's okay. I understood. So one answer you can give.
Yes.
How much it is important to connect the concept with the real life situation? As a student, how much marks you will be giving a teacher who is telling you and connecting the concept with the real life scenarios?
Ma'am,
What is
ma'am,
your
on the-
experience about it? Like you are showing me this, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You're just connecting with the real life situations, okay? So how much it is beneficial for a student to connect any concept with the real life situation?
Ma'am, it's important for us. It's very important for a student, ma'am, because if you just see hypothetically, you will forget after some time.
Correct.
Ma'am, by this we can ensure that like this it will be proved. So we will remember that base square, height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Practically we have done. And that's why it's very important.
Learning the formula is important or knowing the derivation of formula is important?
Ma'am, knowing the derivation is more important.
So,
Ma'am, if
what
you know
is-
the
how it
derivation,
is beneficial, the derivation of formula?
from formula you can forget after some time. But
Okay.
if you know how to derivate it, you can calculate what will be the formula by that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Material used in this are gyro sensor, servo motor, and two UNO Arduino, and we have used this all to connect jumper wire and forward
we have upload the code in Arduino, and we have connected with the laptop to give the power, and the angle which is displays will display on the screen, and the exact angle which we want to find we can see on the screen.
Sir, the angles are shown here. Like when it will be moved, the angle will be shown here.
Displays.
And our second project is distance measure. So, sir, in this distance measure, sir, there is an example. We have kept a scale. For example, like if any object will come go far, so it will show how much centimeter away it is. Sir, like it is on 22. So, sir, it will 21 or 22. Sir, and sir, we have used sensors, electronic sensors, breadboard, and jumping wires
And ultrasonic
and
sensor.
ultrasonic sensors. To
Which concept you have used for this one to find the distance?
uh,
What is the basic concept that is used to find the distance using sensor?
the basic concept. Sir,
How sensor works?
sir, it detects any object and focus on it, and by coding, sir, we have some code also. Then
Yes.
So in ultrasonic sensor, the transmitter and receiver is there. Transmitter send the ultrasonic wave, and receiver hit the object, and it reflect to the receiver and receive the, and it measure the distance.
Yes. So here they use the speed of light time to calculate the
Distance.
Clear? Ultrasonic
Yes.
waves, whatever the waves are sent,
Yes.
they use.
Yes.
Actually, the concept is speed.
Speed.
Yeah. Huh?
Yes. Sir.
Oh.
And so we can measure the angle of it is then. So when it will come, it's a 90 degree.
Yes. Very
thank you, sir.
good.
And Krishna, and we are presenting the model of for criteria for congruence of triangle. And Sir Krishna is going to define what is congruence.
Jain, the definition of congruence is congru- two figures same size and same space. It is called as congruence figure. Like example of uh, triangle, square, and palm also our
A triangle and a square can be congruent.
triangle, triangle square. Yes sir. Yes sir. I am forgetting.
Then, sir, first criteria is side. If all the three sides of one triangle is equal to the other corresponding triangle is known as side. So second criteria is side angle side. If two angles include if two sides includes angle if two sides includes angle corresponding other parts of another triangle is known as side angle side.
Jain sir, the third criteria is AAS, angle side. Under this criteria, the two angles and one side of any triangle is equal to the corresponding angle, and the one side of another triangle will be is equal. Then the both triangle will be congruent to each other under the criteria of AAS. And the fourth criteria is ASA. Under this criteria, two angles and one side between the angles are of any triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and the side of another triangle. Then the two triangles will be congruent to each other under the criteria of ASA.
Is AAS is also congruency? Double AS.
Yes, sir. So like this, sir, if the one angle is equal to the corresponding triangles, so this angle and this angle will be equal, and this angle will be equal. So means they both these both triangles have equal angles, and sir, one side will be there of the same size of both the triangles. it will be equal. It's congruence.
Or A double S?
So A double S. I think AAS.
ASS.
ASS.
Why two sides and one angle?
Sir, in this model, we will increase the math basic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and they are confident to like tell the answer in very few seconds. And
So the materials which we have used in this model making, sir, we have used Arduino, LCD I2C, number pad, jumper wire, and buzzer. Sir, if I would give you a brief explanation, so sir, Arduino, it is a microcontroller which sends all the commands to the components which are connected to it. And sir, LCD I2C, sir, it is a device where it is used where we need like visual text or visual displays. And next is the number pad. So it is used where we require a numbering input. Next is jumper wire. So jumper wire is used to do all the connections. And last is buzzer. So it is used where we need a sound, beeping sound. So we have used a buzzer here to use a beeping sound. So further, Harshit will explain.
So here we have used the Arduino. This is LCD with I2C module. So this is number, and so we have placed the buzzer inside. It is hidden. So the working of this model is like, so if you press any button, so the quiz will start. So we have to give the right answer in 20 seconds. So this is minus, this is equal to. So if we will give the right answer, a short beep will be there from the buzzer. So if we will give the wrong answer, so a long beep will be there, and so it will calculate our score, and it will give our score. So after a wrong answer, the quiz will restart from the beginning again. So the maximum score is 225. So we have used 20 questions. So this is the code. So we have used 20 questions here. So we can change the question from here.
So randomly you can in between the process you can change the code.
No, sir. So we have to re-upload the code after changing
You have to upload after.
Yes.
Okay.
And sir, this is the circuit diagram of our model, like how we have done all the connections.
Okay, correct. So tell me the use of this model in maths.
So this will improve the problem solving speed of the students.
Like sir, the most common thing which we face is addition subtraction, like doing calculations in less time. So sir, we have made this model to increase our calculation speed.
and very fast.
And sir, after 20 seconds we can decrease the time to 5 seconds and more for more like
Faster
speed.
calculation.
Yes sir.
Okay. Check.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So which group? Acha, both are combined in this, na? Yes. In the same year or some different models? Same model. Okay.
Sir, we have made Pythagoras theorem model. So in this we have not used any electrical gadget. Sir, in my team there are me, Aditya, is Pushkar, is Ankit, is Shehbaz. And sir, we have made this model. Sir, as the Pythagoras theorem is base square plus height square to hypotenuse square. So by this we will confirm that it is true. Sir, base r is 12, height is 5, and we have to find hypotenuse. So for fast calculation we will use calculator here.
And the height can be changed also.
Square is equal to, so square root is equal to 13. The hypotenuse will be 13. So if we measure it from like this, do from 0 math. So see, measurement is coming 13 here.
Okay.
It's mentioned 13. So by this we have proved practically that Pythagorean theorem is true.
What is the complete name of Pythagoras?
So Pythagoras complete name. The Pythagoras
He was mathematician.
Yes. He was Greek philosopher and mathematician.
His complete name was
Was
Pythagoras the
Pythagoras.
Seventh.
he is given a standard format for Pythagorean triplet. Triplet, what's that? And these three numbers, 5, 12, and 13, are called Pythagorean triplet. One format he has given that all the Pythagorean triplet number will be represented in that. What is that? Something 2m. You need help, huh? See. Good. Okay, thank you.